one right here. Is that 7? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7.
Yay! 7!
Okay. Oh, why are you doing that? Do you hate me?
What?
I love you.
What are you talking about?
Try to put that away.
This will be.
If you knew where it went, you would know it goes over here.
These two are protecting this treasure.
Oh, don't bump the table.
Sorry. Don't sit there. Camera.
Is it recording?
Yep.
Right now?
Yes.
Oh, sorry. And I know he doesn't hate me.
Alright.
Don't. You gotta light them all first. Okay, we're gonna sing fast and you're gonna blow hard, and that'll be that.
Not too hard.
That was delicious supper. Thank you, honey.
Yum.
Lasagna in a
I'm
pan.
having flashbacks of our wedding. Do you remember we took pictures of us walking down the aisle?
Yeah.
Okay, now you're only 6, right?
No, I'm 7.
Okay.
Hold on.
Yeah, I don't think the cake can handle it.
We can't hold too long. Oh, there we go.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Benjamin. Happy birthday to you. Make a wish, make a wish. Yay!
I was ignoring the hot wax that just got my finger.
Ow.
Yeah, yeah. Alright.
It's not hot.
Okay, Bubby. How many people are here?
4.
Can you go get 4 forks? And 4 spoons?
Why spoons?
I don't know. I guess we might have ice cream later. Thank you for saving it, Laura. You think it's safe to move this? We'll
I
just
don't
eat
think
around
it's
it.
ever safe to move that.
Did you like your cake, love?
Yeah.
Good, I'm glad.
It was very fun. Even though I missed a lot of the building, it was a fun time.
Really? You eating else?
Well, I don't know.
Okay, why don't we just do 4 of these? 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, hold on, I'm gonna slide it out. Let me put someone on the end. Careful with it. Wow.
Other leg.
Yeah. Good job, Libby.
You know what's funny? You kind of see the meal still cooking in the side there.
Really?
I love
We
it.
can pretend it was leftovers.
Yeah, so